Right guys, we've got Cafe Benidorm here. We'll do this night. Just come down and have a look at it today. We're going to have a quick look what's on in there tonight. So there's a happy hour on there. Didn't actually say too much about that. There we go. What they've got on tonight is Marcus.
Marcus.
How do I get my cat out there? Is that old Eva? No?
Il Devo, yeah.
Old Eva. Where's old Eva?
No.
Oh, never mind. Marcus knows best. Go on then, you go the other two.
Matt Fisher and Benidorm Fantastics.
Yeah, so 4 shows on, there's not many guys about at the moment, so I think there's only a couple of bars that are doing the 4 shows at the moment. Happy hour 2 for 1, I don't know if that's all night, is it?
I imagine so, yeah.
Yeah, the beer's probably going to be a bit more expensive in there then. I know, I don't think we've ever been in. Not as a family, I mean. I have been in there. I think last time we were in there I fell asleep in there. 4 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, if you're in Benidorm, you fancy a night out, that's the place to go. I'm going to have a look at what Morgan's Bar's got on now. See what they're offering tonight. Okay guys, sorry about that. Okay, we're down at the Palladium. There we go. So what they got on, they got the backpack on first. Nine o'clock they got them on. Gary George, is that Marcus? Comedian?
Yep, Gary George on at 10 o'clock.
Comedian. You got Tony Scott on 11 o'clock. 11, sorry.
Then 12:30.
Yeah. Show to be seen if you haven't seen it. Okay, that's Palladium guys. We'll go on, move on now and have a look at Morgan's. That's right. Got the right button this time down at Morgan's now. Morgan's got... Okay guys, we've got almost out and Billy Joe on... Sorry, almost out at 8 o'clock. Billy Joe 9 o'clock. Tina Turner at 10 o'clock. Got Queen on 11. I'll just stand back a little bit. Queen on 11. Take that. On at 12.
Oh, sorry folks.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, and reggae to finish it off at 1 AM. So don't be expecting me to go home too early. 6 shows on. Well, I thought the other up at Cafe EB we're doing well with 4 on. 6 down here. So in Benidorm, come and have a look tonight. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.